Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can change Siri's voice on iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to change Siri's voice on iPhone. So you might have a female voice and you might want to switch to male, or you might simply have a male voice and you want to switch to female, or maybe you just want to change the accent of that particular language, or maybe you want to change the whole language itself. In this video, I will simply show you how you can change the voice of Siri on your iPhone. So make sure to stick with me till the very end. First off, we're going to simply start by launching this settings app on our iPhone. So go ahead and look for settings and then simply open it. As soon as you open settings, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. And if you are on iOS 15 or later versions, over here you have a look for the option called Siri and Search. So right under the wallpaper settings, you have this little button which says Siri and Search, and all you have to do is simply tap on Siri and Search button. As soon as you do that, if you have enabled Hey Siri on your iPhone, you'll be able to see a bunch of these options such as language, Siri responses, announced calls, my information, and you can also find the option called Siri's voice. And before we get onto how we can change Siri's voice, if you want to change the language itself of Siri, you can tap on the language section. Currently it is set to English United States. So you could tap on it and go ahead and select any of the language of your own choice. But if you're satisfied with that, we're going to come back to the screen and you have this option which says Siri's voice, and currently you can see mine is set to American and voice 5, and if you want to change it, we're going to tap on it. Before you try to change the voice itself, if you want to change the accent of Siri's voice, at the very top you have a bunch of different varieties such as American, Australian, British, Irish, Indian, and South African. You can go through all of these accents if you want. However, if you want to change the voice, let's say for example you have voice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and depending on whichever language you actually chose, the number of voices are going to differ. So it doesn't, just because in my case it's set to 5, doesn't necessarily mean that yours stays on 5 as well. You could go up to 10, maybe 3 or 4 only as well to the minimum level. But in order to change the voice, currently let me just show you my current voice of Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And you can see it is on a female voice. If you want to switch to male, let's say for example, go ahead and browse through all of these voices for example.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
So as you can see, the voice number 1 is actually a male's voice. So you can also choose and select voice number 2 if you want.
Siri, choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And similarly, you can go ahead and select 3, 4, 5 as well. And this is basically how you could very easily change Siri's voice on your iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.